Out here on the flight line, where jet fuel mixes with cold air and the ground shakes under Raptor power, the armorer crew is deep in the grind. These folks don't do shortcuts, they do precision. Today's mission, loading up the captive air training missiles, the CATMs, the silent killers that sharpen the Raptor's claws without sending a single missile downrange. You'll see them working fast, but never sloppy, gloves on, tools tight, eyes locked in. They're sliding that CATM onto the rail like it's second nature. Checking safeties, locking pins, verifying codes, running their steps like a beat they've heard 1,000 times. This ain't just loading a dummy missile, this is prepping the jet to fight smarter. The pilots get the airtime, the Raptors get the spotlight, but these armorers? They're the ones who make sure every training sortie hits different. They keep the jet lethal in the practice arena, giving the air crew the reps they need to dominate when the real fight comes knocking. Every CATM they load means another pilot gets sharper. Another formation gets tighter. Another scenario becomes real. That's mission impact you can't fake. No hype, no Hollywood, just straight up sweat, skill, and technical mastery from the baddest weapons troops in the game. They operate in the cold, in the wind, under pressure, under deadlines, and still hit every checklist clean. Because out here, there's no close enough. There's only right, verified, and mission ready. So when that Raptor rolls out, canopy closing, engine screaming, ready to dance in the sky, remember who set that stage. Remember who loaded the steel. Remember who made the mission possible. This is the CATM loading crew. This is weapons pride, and this is how air dominance gets its edge. Before the pilot even straps in, there's a crew already in the fight, the armorer loading crew. These folks are the unsung heroes, the backstage warriors who turn a silent airframe into a fully geared beast. People see the Raptor take off and think the magic happens in the sky. Nah, man, the magic starts right here on the ground. These armorers move with a mix of muscle memory and straight-up genius. CATMs, AIM-9s, racks, rails, they know every inch, every lock, every safety step like it's part of their DNA. They're not just loading weapons, they're loading confidence for the pilot. When a jet rolls out with perfect missiles locked tight, that's a handshake of trust between the aircrew and the weapons troops. Double verify every detail, tighten every bolt like lives depend on it, because in the real fight, they do. The world sees the Raptor as unbeatable, but that edge, that lethal punch, that's built by the weapons shop. Without the loading crew, the jet is just metal and noise. With them, it becomes a predator. Every training sortie, every CATM loaded, every weapon system verified, it all sharpens the entire squadron. Pilots fly stronger, tactics get cleaner. Readiness skyrockets. This isn't support. The ones who don't need applause, don't need spotlight, just tools, teamwork, and the pride of knowing the fight starts with them. The steel handlers. The reason the Raptor hits harder,